Performances. I'm sure for each one of us, the years have been a roller coaster ride, and we all have some of our memories to share with. It's time for a rendezvous with 12C. Without wasting any time, I invite the students of 12C to come up and share their experiences with everyone.
Goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not the end. They simply mean I will miss you, school, until we meet again. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you. I, Sarthak, a class 12C student, would just love to share some of the experiences of my 14 years in the school that I would definitely like to cherish in my whole life. I can say with the utmost pride that I couldn't have been the same person today unless and until I would have got a better exposure towards various activities which I definitely got through the school. I can say with the utmost pride that many a times I was humbled by the kindness of my teachers and of course many of my friends who were the partners of staunch emotional bonding with me throughout this journey. Those garden chit-chats, corridor roaming, and sometimes bunking classrooms for a change has occupied such an important space in my life that it can't be erased in a single instance. Although after this phase, we ought to get holidays in our colleges, offices, but that may not contain the essence of our vacations. We may get lunch, but the joy will not be as much as it used to be by stealing our classmates' lunch. With these words, I ought to stop and again thank all my teachers and friends, especially our respected principal ma'am, for taking strong efforts and initiatives to gift us a secure future and golden memories.
कहते हैं लाइफ इज अ सर्कल एंड दैट्स सो ट्रू। यहाँ पहली बार नर्सरी विंग से स्टार्ट किया था और आज देखो दोनों फ्लोर घूमकर वहीं ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर खड़े हैं।
पहले पहले लगता था ओफो आज फिर स्कूल, अब जाके रियलाइज हुआ वी वर फूल। यही नर्सरी विंग में अंजुम मैम और सलोमी मैम से सीखा था ABC और 1 2 3 और फिर क्या हम तो होते थे पूरा दिन फ्री।
फिर ऊपर फर्स्ट फ्लोर पहुंचे तो मिली बत्रा मैम का ये डायलॉग शायद ही कोई भूल पाएगा। लेग्स अंडर द डेस्क, पेंसिल इन योर राइट हैंड एंड बुक्स ऑन द टेबल, ये हमेशा याद रहेगा।
इन सब के बीच एक चीज थी जो बिना सीखे ही आ गई, दोस्ती। वही दोस्ती जिसने डांट पड़ने पर हौसला दिया और वही दोस्त जिन्होंने पैसे होने पर सब कुछ लूट लिया।
कैंटीन में भूख मिटाने की आस से जाना और मीनाक्षी मैम का वहाँ होना तो दिल ही तोड़ देता था। वही दोस्ती जिसे सब पता होता था कि साथ कौन है और दिल में कौन।
वही दोस्ती जो हमारे साथ बड़ी हुई है यहीं इन्हीं कॉरिडोर्स में, इन्हीं स्टेयर्स में, गिरते पड़ते, बंक मार के, छिपते छिपाते। इन सब के बीच पता ही नहीं चला कब 1 2 3 और ABC हुए मिक्स। पर अनीता चावला मैम और झा सर ने कर दिया सब कुछ फिक्स।
अरे रुको रुको, तुम तो बोलते ही चले गए।
हम बताते हैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस। डेरावाल की छोटी सी दुनिया से निकल के हम आए प्रशांत विहार की इस बड़ी सी दुनिया में। ना किसी को जानते थे, ना पहचानते थे। पहले दिन देखा तो पता लगा इतने सारे टीचर्स, इतने सारे बच्चे, ओह! पर 9th में आते ही सुजाता मैम, वंदना मैम, अनीता चावला मैम, कनिका मैम और शोभा मैम से मिलकर ऐसा लगा that we belong here in this
ही।
लेकिन आज मैं शान से कहती हूँ, I am proud to be here in this school. I am proud to be a Margaretarian.
ये तो कुछ नहीं था, डिजास्टर तो वो था जब बाबर के बेटे हुमायूं और हुमायूं के बेटे अकबर, इन सब से हमें करना था डील। और वंदना मैम कहती थी मैंने तुम्हें बहुत दे दी है डील। बट एक सुजाता मैम है जिन्होंने SST स्टूडेंट स्लीपिंग टाइम को बनाया स्टूडेंट स्टोरी टाइम।
और फिर हम पहुंचे इन अ क्लास नोन फॉर इट्स क्राइम
11C,
जहां एक साइड रमन के जोक्स ने हमको पका डाला, वही दूसरी साइड स्पेशल असेंबली में उसकी माइंड ने सबको इम्प्रेस कर डाला। वही क्लास जिसमें फ्रेंड्स से ज्यादा उनके टिफिन बॉक्स का होता था वेट, करेला हो या भिंडी खाना तो खत्म हो ही जाता था।
वही क्लास जहाँ किसी भी पीरियड में कोई पढ़ता हो ना पढ़ता हो, प्रीति मैम के पीरियड में सब आइंस्टाइन बन जाते थे।
अब जागे हुआ एहसास, 12th was the most memorable class because of our teachers who are एकदम झकास।
जो है गुरुओं की गुरु, जिनसे है स्कूल की पहचान, जिनका करते हैं हम तहे दिल से सम्मान।
इकोनॉमी और GDP का ज्ञान, तभी इन्होंने करा हम सबका कल्याण। जब हमारे दिमाग से आउट हुए तब काम ने किया स्टाउट और बोला बेटा लेट मी स्पीक, आई विल एंटरटेन योर डाउट।
He was an icing on our cake, who corrected our grammatical mistakes. Being surrounded with vistas and flamingo, we felt ill, but he acted at the right time.
He is beauty with a brain, who taught us scalar chain. पढ़ाया उन्होंने सब कुछ ऐसे कि सब पूछे इतनी अच्छी BST कैसे।
एक वो है जिनको पूरी भूगोल का है ज्ञान, उन्होंने रखा है हमेशा C सेक्शन का ध्यान, जिन्होंने हमेशा ये दिलासा दिलाया कि ज्योग्राफी वाले बच्चों ने भी छुआ है आसमान।
Now this one is for someone special, जिनकी स्माइल उनसे भी ज्यादा प्यारी है। वो माँ भी है, मेंटोर भी है, दोस्त भी है, क्लास टीचर, ऊपर से बड़ा पर अंदर से नर्म है। फर्स्ट में उन्होंने कहा था कि उनको ऐसा क्लास टीचर पाकर हम सब पछताएंगे, पर अब लगता है कि इनके साथ सारे लम्हे कभी ना भूल पाएंगे।
तू जो मिला तो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ मुश्किल से ही आसा हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल।
Because of you all, we are standing here now. So please accept our bow. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. A mother figure who is always keen to look into our problems, whatsoever it may be. An idol of knowledge. A person with an outstanding personality. She is none other than our beloved principal ma'am, Mrs. Renu Jain. May I request the head boy and the head girl to welcome her with a small token of love. May I request them to please come up and say a few words to encourage our students.
Love you, and because of you all we are here. So 14 years. 14 years of molding you and what we expect you. We just expect from you that wherever you go, one should ask, you have grown where? Many times it has been asked what your parents have taught. I would say, wherever you go, the teacher should be there to ask you that which school are you from? This is what we expect from you, and I feel that you will keep up our hopes, which every teacher and every institution would like to have. A lot has been said by Sir, a lot. I was just thinking, I will speak this, I will speak that. I think Sir has covered up everything, everything. Overall, in this life, I have learned that God has a plan. He has also said the same thing. God has a plan for every one of us. I will just narrate one of my students' experience. She was a topper in class 11, 100 in accountancy and all. I will talk about accountancy or business studies only. In the 12th class also, before the examination, she came to me, ma'am, I want to get very good marks. Okay. But what happened? In the accountancy paper, you being commerce students, the ones who are commerce students, you know that in accountancy, if you don't read even a single word or any digit, your question is wrong. That girl did all questions wrong. All questions wrong, and when she came out, she came running to me crying, ma'am, what should I do? Because it doesn't matter. She wanted to go into SRCC, and she was the one who could have gone to SRCC. Next paper was business studies. Doesn't matter. I tried to keep up her hopes. I know that she could not get into SRCC, but she was a very good painter. She was very creative also. After a few days or months, I would say that, she gave me a call saying that, ma'am, I have got into NIFT, which is also one of the most prestigious, which used to be the most prestigious institution in fashion designing and all. And then also I just told her, see, the God had a plan and the God wanted you to go into NIFT. So, students, I would just like to say that whatever you do with your passion, and you must have a dream to follow. Where you want to be, as Sir has said, wherever you want to be. And you must follow two P's. One is passion, another is perfection. Perfection. I'm just reminded of a story. There was a sculptor, Murtika, जो मूर्तियाँ बनाता है. He was told by king to make two identical statues. Two identical statues which are to be placed outside the gate of the pillars. Pillars are there outside the gate. On the two pillars, two identical statues have to be placed and they have to be identical. He spent days and nights to make the identical statues. When the statues were ready, they were put up on the pillars. Everyone passing by appreciated the statues. Even the king also appreciated the statues. The next day, this night only, those statues were taken away. The king was very furious. The king asked the sculptor, why have you taken out those statues from the pillars? That person said, I could know where the perfection was lacking. There was a minor difference between the two statues. And who could know that? Who could know that? Only the perfectionists. So whatever you do with perfection and with your passion. This is the only message which I want to do. I want to just tell you, there are people who are good in drawing. There are people who are good in photography. Why not? Why not to follow those professions? This is also kind of a learning, and passion will follow money. Everyone wants to do what? I want to go into the field where I can earn good package. Good package. Package will come to you. You work hard with passion, and money will follow you. All the best to everyone. Though I have just spoken few words, because sir had already spoken so much to you, but this thing always is there with me, that whatever you work with perfection, work with interest and passion. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, ma'am. You truly have been an epitome of love and wisdom and have guided us at every step, giving each one of us the thorough of opportunities to exhibit our talents. Thank you, ma'am, once again.
Good afternoon, everyone. On this occasion, when we are celebrating the blessing ceremony 2016, I would just like to say, love you. Love you, babies. This would be my last chance to announce those awards of excellence for the outgoing batch. Everyone has talent. What's rare is the courage to follow it to the dark places where it leads. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, today it is my honor to call out to all my dear children who had made an effort to step forward towards reaching those places where others did not venture into. To perform on the stage is the best experience in the world. I have always felt so. It can transform life. It gives us the power to question, to explore, and to challenge how we think about everything that happens around us. The medium with which we do it could be any. It could be a dance, it could be a theatre, it could be anything on the stage. It's my honor, it's with immense pleasure that today I am going to call upon the best performance of the outgoing batch 2016. Before I announce those names, may I call upon our beloved Chairman Sir, along with Principal Ma'am, to please come and do the honor for our kids and bless them. To announce the first category, they dance like nobody is watching. For them, dancing is like dreaming with their feet. Yes, the outstanding dancers for the year 2016 are Ankita Arora of Class 12C, Ashu Bhatter of Class 12B, and Mukul Goswami of Class 12A. They dance to breathe, they dance to be free, they dance to be themselves. My dear children, practice like it you have never won, and perform like you have never ever lost. Congratulations and wish you all the luck. To announce the next category, public speaking. Public speaking is the art of diluting a 2-minute idea with a 2-hour vocabulary, isn't it? English teacher would always tell you so. It does not come naturally to everyone. It is acquired after rigorous practice. Here we have a group of students who have exhibited their excellence in their oratory skills throughout their school tenure. May I call upon Harshit Madan, Vrita Bajaj of 12A as well, Mahima Thakur again from 12A, and Charu Anand from 12B. Children, if you can speak, you can influence. If you can influence, you can change lives. My wishes for you is to change lives with your words for a better world to live in. Congratulations. To announce the next category, to be an actor, one has to have a madness in you. Here we have a group of mad children who excel in the field of acting. May I call upon Ardas Kaushal, Moshna Jain from Kritika Nandwani from class 12C, Simran Vech from class 12A, Sarthak Gaba, who can forget him, put a big round of applause for Sarthak Gaba, class 12B, Keshav Arora from class 12B, and Vishal Sharma from class 12A. In every part you played, there was a certain amount of yourself in it. You have found yourself in there. All my best wishes for you children. Thank you, sir, for doing the honor. Now to honor the next category we are having, may I call upon our Honorable Managing Director, Mr. Naveen Goswami, along with Principal. For them, being creative is not a hobby, it is a way of life. May I call upon the budding artist from the outgoing batch, Devika Suri from class 12C, Komal Tiwari from class 12C as well, Mahima Gupta from class 12B, Anjali from class 12A, and my own Pavan Sharma from class 12A. Here they are, their world of imagination is boundless. Their creation is what everyone else has seen and thank you, my dear children, and all the best. Photography is more than a medium for factual communication of ideas. Here we have an outstanding photographer for the year, and he is none other than, any guesses? Yeah, that's it, Raghav Shamilya. Now, we have a little girl who took to creative writing when she was still small to understand words, putting words to blank pieces of paper and ending up with a full-fledged story. Write with characters and thought comes naturally to her. She is born to write. May I welcome Deepshikha Jha from class 12B for excellence in creative writing. Thank you, sir, for doing the honor. May I now request our beloved Principal Ma'am, along with our Senior Coordinator, Mrs. Sunana Gupta, to please honor the next category. champions. What do you think about champions? They aren't made in the gyms, are they? They are made from something they have deep inside them. A desire, a dream, a vision. Here we have our students who never make excuses but make results in the field of sports. Put your hands together for Anjali from class 12A. Akshita from class 12A. Meghna Goel from class 12B. Divya Sharma from class 12C. Yes, and my adorable, lovable Pushkar from Bhavya from class 12B. Kartikeya from class 12A. And Yaman Saluja from class 12B. My dear children, practice to work, work to play, play to win, and refuse to lose. Be the biggest, be the strongest, be the hero, be the one and only. A big round of applause for each one of them. In addition to all of this, we are proud that we have the finest examples of academic excellence amongst our students. The students who are role models for the entire student body of St. Margaret Senior Secondary School, may I have the honor to award them for their excellence. May I first call upon our techno wizard, Yash Dahiya from class 12A. And our science wizard obviously comes from 12A, and she is none other than, yes, Bhavya Bansal. And when it comes to numbers and digits, there is nobody to beat Tanu Jindal again from class 12A. And ma'am would be happy to award the Commerce Wizard. Here we have Vishesh Sani and Vinita Jain from class 12B. Anita ma'am, I'm so sorry, I have never understood maths in my life. But we have one child who always excelled in geography. He is none other than Sarthak Arora from class 12C. A big round of applause for class 12C. It is not so easy to excel in geography. The will to win, this is a desire to succeed, the urge to reach your full potential. These are the keys that will unlock the door to personal excellence. Can we have Nancy Jain and Namit Gupta on the stage to receive the certificate of excellence as all-rounders, for they have unlocked the door to personal excellence in every field possible. I have one more certificate. This is a special prize from English department, wherein there is, from economics ma'am, your own Nishta ma'am. She says she excels in economics. She is the one who is going to control the budget in future. She is none other than Isha Garg from